Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to math. For today's focus exercise, we're going to think about fractions a little bit and do a little more art because it's a great way to focus and to breathe. And so materials you'll need would be toilet paper roll or paper towel, but some kind of paper roll. I have some markers. You might want to use paint or you could just leave it plain. Some glue or some tape. Scissors. These are the two main things. Toilet paper roll, scissors, and then something to either the glue or the tape. I'm going to use a tape measure since we're doing math and I'm curious as to how long a toilet paper roll is. You want to take a guess? How many inches do you think it is? Let's see. Put it up to 0. Ooh, it is 4 inches. And the first thing that I want to do, or that you want to do, would be to cut your toilet paper roll in half. So divide it into 2 equal parts. So where do I need to make my mark and where should I cut? At the 2-inch mark. So if you don't have a ruler, that's fine. You can estimate. The nice thing with art is that you can use artistic license and it does not have to be perfect. Now, when you go to cut into this, you might want a little bit of help. It's going to be stiff. And also when you cut into it, is it going to be easy to cut into it when it's round, or is there something you should do to make it easier? I'm going to squish it. And then with my scissors, I'm going to go in pretty deep. It's pretty hard to cut both. You might need a parent to help you. So now I'm just going to, see, I've got my scissors and I'm going to just do one layer. You might find an easier way to cut. If it's not perfect, once again, it's okay. Okay. So I have 2 mostly equal parts. And I'm going to take each half and divide it into 3. So if I'm taking this and divide it into 3 pieces, what's that called? Thirds. I'm going to have thirds and thirds. So that will give me how many pieces altogether? 6. So I've taken one whole and divided it into 6 equal pieces. Now I have 6ths. So there's 3. I'm just going to divide this one up into 3. Okay, I've got my 6 equal pieces, and now I'm going to color them. You can make them all one color. I'm going to make mine rainbow. Something to think about when you're coloring on a brown surface is that whatever color you're using is going to come out a little bit different because it's already darker, and that's okay. This is where maybe you want to use paint, or it's just kind of fun to experiment and see what happens. I just wanted to show you here as I'm coloring, and especially when I use Sharpie, I like to color on paper or something so that if I go over whatever it is I'm coloring on, then I'm not making a huge mess somewhere else. But I'm really focusing on my breath. And I'm trying to breathe and go calmly because I know if I'm holding my marker too hard or if I'm holding this ring too hard, I'm going to crumble it. And then it's not going to come out or look so nice. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Like, I'm not getting every little line, but, enough. And so you just want to think about breathing in and out and relaxing and So this purple's coming up more gray, but that's okay. I'm coloring the inside also because I thought it would be a nice effect, but maybe you don't want to. Let's get the little end there. Ooh. Okay, sorry about that. So now I have my rings. Yellow, green, blue, purple. And then we want to stick them together. And if you notice, see how they're kind of a little bit pointy? So you just take two and kind of stick them together like this. And if you had glue and a little clip, you could glue it and then clip it. And then you would go all the way around. I'm just going to try it with tape. So I have a piece of tape, and then right here, I'm just going to tape these pieces together, wrap it around. But if you had glue, you could see that it would not be so shiny. And then just kind of stick it like that. And my yellow, I'm going to stick my yellow on. Matching, you know, kind of matching the points. It doesn't have to be perfect. Another piece of tape. So now I'll wrap between the yellow and the orange. I've got 3. I'm going to do my green. Tape it around. And really kind of have to fold it like this. Then the blue. Ooh. If you wanted your flower to have 5 points, you could stop here. I'm going to stick the purple in, so I think that'll be fun. And it's going to be a challenge. So I'm just going to focus. See, I've got it in there. So I have to tape the purple to the blue, and then also the purple to the red. So there, we've got another kind of flower to go with our paper flower. Paper flower, paper flower. Hope you all have a great day. Have fun, be kind.